What's up, everybody? It's the Tourette trucker coming at you here. I am back with another brand new video. We're gonna leave the house today. We're gonna have some footage. I'm back on the road, so I got some footage of me leaving the house. We're going to go get loaded. We got some dash cam footage. We got some outside the truck footage. We've got some Cyclops footage. So first, I want y'all to make sure, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what you think about subscribing? What have you got to lose? You might actually enjoy my channel, enjoy the videos after a while. They might grow on you. So also, if you like my videos, be sure to like them, share my videos, do all the fun things. I'm trying to grow this channel. How about y'all help me out? And I do appreciate all the support that you people have been giving. Because of you people, y'all are helping me grow this channel. I'm only the entertainer who does it, but without you people actually watching my videos and liking them, nobody would ever see them. So I appreciate everything y'all do. So stick around, I'll be right back. All right, good morning, everybody. Here's my head cam, the famous, will be famous head cam view of what I have to do to get my stuff loaded in the pickup here. It is 5:55 in the morning. My trash man just came, and we gotta get all this into the truck. And I'm absolutely sure my neighbors are gonna love to hear me start my pickup up. Got to get my trash can out from over there. Because this truck is so flippin' loud. Whew. And they dropped a water bottle on the ground. This truck is so loud. And of course my alarm is going off. 6 o'clock, that means it's time to start packing the truck.
Motion detected at the front door.
Motion detected at the front door. No kidding. You don't say. Gotta have your laptop with all your gear, external hard drive, so forth. New keyboard for working on the truck. Hey, the new freaking light ring for the camera for doing videos, so I can always have that light, because the light on the truck is not the best for doing videos. My new addition, my green screen, I'm actually going to take the green screen material with me so I can use that on the truck. We gotta have Thor's lid for his wet food. There you go, y'all. Paul Mitchell, this stuff is the best. And of course, my glasses. Must have my glasses because I'm blind as a bat. I'll just put them in my pocket. Hey, fat boy. The fat boy is back. Woo! And you know we can never be whacked. The fat boy is back. My cat is a fat boy. My son, Alden, says, all my cats get fat like dad. It's like, well, you know, I don't think he's wrong there, to be honest.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, well, that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt, take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters, that shit was amazing. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Yo, what you got in that bag? Candy, cigarettes, and a Playboy mag. Man, you used to have to work for that. Wait for me, gotta dial up. Can't call my landline cause it's all tied up. Just bike over then. Oh!
Y'all, that is where we are actually pulling into right there. Got here to check in, not a soul here. That is sweet. 2 thumbs up. See, every one of these tires are pumped up. I don't hear any air leaking into the thing, and it's still tripping out with the light saying that there's an air leak somewhere. But yet you don't hear any air hissing through the lines anywhere. No air hissing anywhere. Normally, if it's got an air leak and you close the valve, you let it sit for a second, when you turn it back on, you'll hear the air surge through if there's a leak. But nothing, but yet we still have a light on. So I don't know what the story is, but we're gonna get this bad boy backed up. Whew. Well, hi Thor. You're gonna have to, whew, let me turn my music off before you two hits me with a strike for having Toko Hotel play. But that's where we backing into, y'all. 1, 2, 3, red light. All right, we'll come up here, we'll chalk the wheel just to be on the safe side here. There we go. We're wheel chalked and we're in. All right, now for the fun stuff. I actually had my notebook here on the truck, so I didn't enter anything in. My dumb butt didn't do anything in the computer either, which was sad. So I need to get my load information in here. All right, y'all, let's go out here, see if we need any kind of straps or anything. Hopefully we don't. Be a good thing if we don't. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, we don't need straps for that. We have a load of, just a load of pigment. Okay, now I don't remember him giving me a seal, to be honest. I saw he had the seal there, but I don't remember actually getting the seal with the paperwork. So I got to come in here and check that out, y'all. I'll start my GoPro here on the side. Doo-dah, doo-dah. So we can start getting some footage from that. Let's see. Yeah, let's see if I'll have to come in here and ask him.
I'm sure
Watch this.